Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell and then you will never miss any of my wig related videos. I am bringing you a review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you will get a code for 30% off. Also, if you ever have any questions about what wigs are in stock or what colors in stock, you can email support@pinkypromise.com and have your questions answered there. So today I'm wearing a really cute new style by Envy. This is Jolie and the color on this one is Golden Nutmeg. Can't wait to tell you more about her in just a moment. Jolie by Envy and the color Golden Nutmeg. So very cute wig. This wig is just a basic cap wig. So she does not have a lace front. She doesn't have a mono part. No frills and, thrills to the cap, but that does keep her price point down. And she's a really nice length, very stylable. So you can do some really cute things with her. So we'll get to that towards the end of the video. Let me do a turn so you can see her all the way around and then I'll tell you all her measurements and all that kind of stuff. So here she is from the front. My left, the back, my right, and back to the front. Okay, so she does have this little bang layer here in the front that they give a measurement on that of 5 inches. So if I, bring those all the way down and all the way across my forehead, they go into my eyes. So that's why I have them side swept for, the purposes of the review. But, you could shorten those a little bit if you did want to have full forehead coverage, which is really nice. So then she has a crown crown of 11 inches, sides of 11 inches as well, and a 9-inch nape. So that gives you enough length, for ponytails and for, messy buns and things like that, which is fun. Okay, so basic cap construction, no lace front. So this bang is going to be hiding the fact that there's no lace front. I'll show you the top. Now the top is nicely done. This rooted color does give you the appearance of having a part, which is really nice. So there you can see the top. I'll get in close. So you can see, I can feel, some fibers there. There's got to be something to cover that cap, but they don't stick up and they're not, noticeable. So you're going to be the only one that's going to know those are there and feel them. And they really are not bad. So, okay. And then ear tabs. Well, this cap is an average cap and it's big on my petite head, I have to say. So the ear to ear is a little bit big on me. So, but I'll show you the ear tabs. I've got good coverage. Kind of hard to show with bangs, but there's a little bio hair there, but of course the bang is going to go over that. I've got a good sized piece of metal in there, so, but this is definitely big on my petite head. So this would be definitely one for average and average above, maybe not so great for petite. I mean, I think if I would have to wear a wig grip under this, I have the adjusters pulled in, but I still feel like I would need a wig grip to feel comfortable, like this is not going to come off my head. So just something to note for those of you who have smaller, circumferences. So, all right, I will pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Interior cap construction for Jolie. So here you just have that closed lace. There are some wefts right here, and that just provides coolness for the scalp. And you do have some permatease under here. It's not too bad. A little bit pillowy. But like I said, it's, she's pretty low density, so not real bad. There's a felt strip across there that lies right up against your forehead, which is nice. She's got the felt ear tabs, good piece of metal in there. She's got a very stretchy cap, so she would definitely be one for average and average plus. So open wefted all through the cap. Pull adjusters. Extended soft felt nape. So I'll show you the top of this. So this is what I'm talking about. I mean, I don't see those fibers, any little fibers sticking up at all there. So looks really nice. And a rooted color in these basic cap wigs always gives you more of the, appearance of having a part up there. And you can always just kind of, muss her up a little bit and it won't, I think you won't miss the fact that she doesn't have, a mono part. So. All right, I'll pop her back on and we'll talk about the color. Talk about this color, Golden Nutmeg. Okay, so Golden Nutmeg is described as a light caramel brown with medium golden blonde highlights and medium brown roots. I definitely think that's accurate that the rooting is medium brown. I wouldn't call it dark brown. You can see that, you know, that base color underneath there, the caramely brown. So you can see those two colors, you know, with the golden blonde and the caramel brown when I put it in the light here. She's a little shiny, so she might need some dry shampoo just to tone that down a little bit. Or sometimes you give her a good cold soak with cold water and that'll take care of it too. All right, so here is golden nutmeg under my patio cover. So in indirect outdoor light. You can see that rooting. Of course, no lace front or anything like that to show. Okay, a bit overcast right now, but here is this color in the natural light. It's a pretty color. I know it's a popular color. Color without those bright lights. Very pretty color. All right, so I've got her tucked behind my ears, so we will look at glasses here. So glasses work, you know, really easily. Put them up on your head, your sunglasses or whatever. Really, really cute. She looks cute with a headband. Headbands are a great way if you're, you know, a little self-conscious about them, the wig not having a mono part. Headbands are a great way to hide that, so she looks cute like that. Take the headband out and stick the headband in her like that. Very cute. So she works like if you want to wear her half up, half down. She's got plenty of length for that. You can also put her in a ponytail. She does have an extended nape, which is nice. So you can get her in a pony. Just make sure you smash that nape down. She looks really cute. You can give her a twist, you know, all kinds of things like that. Messy buns, whatever. You could pull down this one, these little, just the bangs. I think the other layer gets come along there, so really, really cute. You can also just, you know, of course you can't pull the bangs back, but you can gather the hair up here on the top, you know, and put a cute clip in there. Let's see what I got here. You know, just to kind of dress her up there on, you know, up on the top if you want to. So that looks really cute actually. So, okay, so she's really, really cute wig. Thank you so much for watching today. Again, I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending me this wig to review for you. There will be purchase information below this video, so you can find that below the video for this wig and any other wig that is on the site. So also, when you go to the website, don't forget to subscribe and save that 30%. So thanks so much for watching today. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.